Hello. If you use the split function in neovim, maybe this video is gonna be helpful for you. When I'm working, I do this a lot. I want to see a piece of code or a class, but I don't want to close the current buffer. So what I do is to be split, then I go to the right, and then I go to definition. I do this a lot, so I think in create a shortcut. It is very simple. You press GS, then the split is executed. Then you go to the right, and then you go to definition. Let's see. You are here and you press GS, and it is open to the right. Then you close it. You want to reopen. Very fast. Hope you like it.